Now our sign in and sign up part is done. Now we have to work with session. By using session, we are going to temporarily save our user information to the local storage of our browser. By using session, when someone log into the system, until they log out, they will be in the same page or same system. They are authenticated until they log out. Okay, when someone log out to the system, then session will be destroyed. That time, when they try to access the authentication items or authentication page, then they will not be able to access them. Okay, inside sign in, when we are logged in successfully, here we are going to start our session. At the very top, let's start session underscore start. When you hover over this function, it's saying if provided this is an associative array of options that will override the currently set session configuration and detectives. Now below here we are going to set some session variable. By using this variable, we are going to recognize the user is authenticated or not. If the user is authenticated, then we will allow them to route some pages and we will restrict from some pages. Okay, so let's do it. At very first, let's create a global session variable that is id is equal user result id. By using user result id, we can get the id of our users. Copy this and paste it below. One more times, this would be full name. In the place of id, just replace with full name, and below here we'll have email. In the place of id, just write email. This is the three variable we are setting as global variable of a session. Okay, here inside header.php, you can see I have included these variables and I also use them in here. Now in between this UL tag, I'm going to create one PHP tag, and when I'm going to start our session in here. Okay, session start, so that I can use session variable in here. If is set underscore session variable or email, that is one of our session variable. Here our if condition is starting, and we are going to end this if condition after the sign up. Okay, and what I'm writing, and with PHP tag dashboard and sign out should be in the place of sign in or sign out. Take it here and paste it here. Take the sign in and sign up page after the ending of if statement. That means what actually it is saying is, when we are on session and we have the session variable email, then we can access dashboard and sign out. But when we are not on the session, we can access this sign in or sign out. Okay, let's make a else condition for that. Else here the ending of our else condition php, here it is. Now we are on the browser. We can see only sign in and sign up page. We can go to them. Let's sign in with the users saif@test.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign in. We are successfully logged into the user, but here you can see sign in and sign up page is gone. We can't access them, but technically when we try to access them from the URL, actually we can access them. That is the mistake we have made. Since we are into the session, we should not access those pages. Okay, now go to index.php. Here we need to validate our users who can access our dashboard and who can access sign in or sign out page. Okay, here in the first case, let's make a if condition. If is set $_session. We are on the session of email, then it will do something. Here we are going to require one more file, require auth. We need one more file of variables. Okay, so let's require it. Actually, let's require it at the very top. Control X and require it here. .config/variables.php. This is the file we are going to need, since we will redirect users from here. Header, location, this would be host dot /question mark action is equal. Basically what it is saying is, when we are on the session and we have session variable access, that is email, then we are no longer going to this sign up page. It will break from here. Okay, and it will redirect to dashboard. Let me copy this and paste it. Actually we can break from here as well. Break. Copy this and paste it for sign in and dashboard. But in sign in, this is same for dashboard. For case of dashboard, it should be sign in, and this if condition is, if is not set, that means we are not in the session. Then if we try to access dashboard, it will redirect to sign in page. Reload the page. Now we can access our sign in page. Go to dashboard. We can also access our dashboard. Let's try to access sign up. It is redirecting to dashboard. Let's try to sign in. It is redirecting to dashboard. And we also need to do the same thing for our default. That means when we are sign in, we will redirect to dashboard. When we try to sign out, it will destroy our session. So let's do auth for them. Go to sign out In here we are going to write some code. Okay, in header.php we have sign out button. Here in the place of sign out action, let's take it out, and we are going to use the directly this file. Okay, users /sign out.php, save it, and now go to sign out.php. From here start PHP code, PHP ending PHP tag in between them. At first we are going to include on files, include ons, file is ./config and variables. This is the file we are going to use here. Session start, here we are going to start our session unset. By using this function we can unset our session. Just hover over this and it will get some idea. You can see what it does. Initialize session data. It will initialize a session data, and session destroy, session underscore destroy. It will destroy our session, and after destroying session we need to return to home. Header, let's redirect to our home page. Location dot host. Okay, save it. Click on sign out. It's saying something went wrong here. In header.php, actually this would be users, not users. It will be plural. Now once again reload the page, click on sign out. It's saying something went wrong, failed to open now such directory. There is something went wrong with line number 2. Okay, here is the problem in sign out, line number 2. Here I did a mistake. This would be on directory back, mean 2 dot, after that a / config variables.php. Now it's working perfectly. Reload the page and sign out. Now it's going to sign in and sign up page, but it can't go to dashboard. To go to dashboard we need to authenticate our users. Okay, you see, please fill all the forms. That means authentication system is working perfectly. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to learn more about PHP, I have some more tutorials on PHP and Node.js. I have PHP PDO tutorial where you can learn more about PHP PDO. I have PHP object oriented programming with REST API. I have tutorial of PHP CRUD operation. CRUD mean create, read, update and delete by using MySqli database. Okay, in further I will create more PHP tutorial, and I'm thinking to create large project by using PHP, something like news website or blog. And of course with Node.js I'll create lots of tutorial on Node.js, because professionally I am a Node.js developer along with PHP knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial.